First annual golf ball drop at Port Moore Park on Salt Spring Island. We're going to drop the golf balls 500 feet. Golf balls are 500 bucks. The closest one to the bullseye. We're at Central here. Lots of people, they're going to block off the roads. Beautiful day. About 3:20 in the afternoon. There's the helicopter. I wish I had a better camera. Gonna drop 1,000 golf balls. He's really low. Hard to see. The sun is right in my eyes. Look at the dust. Nice. Making a dust storm. He's not going to see the target. There they go. I can see them coming out. There's what if he's going to land it on the field? Oh, there's more golf balls falling out.